Wala pa akong directive na yun. Maybe there's a court order. Kung may court order, wala tayong magagawa.
May mga historical site pa po ba kayo?
Kasi ang aking policy, there can be no demolition without relocation. So kahit na aso, pag nauulan na, naarawan, naghahanap ng masisilungan, tao pa kaya?
Sir, out of curiosity lang, pahapo lang. Anong abiso ninyo sa San Juan ngayon? Kasi it seems na nagkakaroon sila ng problema doon with kay Mayor pati kay La Zamora. May nagbigay na ba kayo ng abiso on how to fix the problems in San Juan?
Well, kung may ambition there's nothing wrong. Kung gusto mag-ambition maging mayor, madali naman kumandidato eh.
Apo.
Ang mahirap yung manalo. Di ba?
Anong ibig niyo sabihin doon, Mayor? So, okay lang na i-challenge sila ng mga Zamora?
Oo. It's a free country. May demokrasya tayo. Marami naman tumatakbo eh. Pero isa lang na nanalo. Di ba?
Pero hindi ba kayo nang hinayan doon sa pasamahan ninyo ng mga Zamora na pagkatagal-tagal na? I'm sure may pagtatampuhan yan.
Ewan ko silang, yung vice mayor umiwala eh. Hindi naman kilala pinakilala lang namin.
Walang utang na loob.
Hindi ako nasabi yan, ikaw
Follow up po, last question lang po. Since malapit na po yung election, right now po as Mayor of Manila, paano po niyo i-gauge yung performance po niyo dito?
Dito?
Apo.
Well, modesty aside, I inherited a bankrupt city. People are expecting so much from me that I can do something. But inheriting a bankrupt city, any project, I cannot introduce any project because any project boils down to funding. Kaya itong more than a year, hindi ako makatulog dahil sa paano ko mababayaran yung mga utang, lahat. So, but fortunately, nakakaahon na kami and within this year, fully paid na kami. We'll be debt-free. Well, of course, nagtaas ako ng RPT, Real Property Tax. At the same time, walang computer doon nung dumating ako. Tinanggal at sinira. Ngayon naman may computer na kami. Well, at least yung may computer to avoid yung graft and corruption yan. And I say to you that every single cent that is due the city coffers goes inside the city coffers. Hindi ka mukha nun minamaniobra. Ngayon, ito tumakas ang income namin. Pati mga pulis noon ay involved sa kidnapping, carnapping. Dahil for almost 3 years hindi binibigay allowance ng mga pulis. Yan, tanong yung mga pulis. Ngayon, binigay ko na lahat ng allowance nila. Lamsam pa. Lahat. So, everything is in order.
So sir, what is the...
Mag-iingat lang yung mga pulis. Pag sila nahuli ko ng ungutong, talagang haabulin ko sila.
So sir, are you a good mayor? How would you describe yourself as a mayor?
Well, I don't like to be self-serving.
Thank you, sir.
Let the people decide. As far as I'm concerned, I'm doing all my best as a public servant. I started in San Juan. I think I did come. I was awarded the 10 outstanding young men for public administration. So I started that way. Then I want to put it that way.